This is going well. Ooh, what are you doing, Liam? It looks good. Thanks. Now it looks good and tastes good. Oops. Oh, it's funny, is it? How's this? Liam! Stop it! So that's how you want to play, huh? Red really suits you. That's it.
Not again.
Take that! Oh, it's on, Liam! Ugh! Is that the best you've got?
There's only one thing for it.
Bring it on! Huh? Where are we?
This isn't the classroom.
No more school! Woohoo! Are you seeing this? It looks delicious.
A nice juicy burger.
He's just messing with us now. It's cruel. Are you gonna share that?
This? No way. Better yet, make your own.
Okay, I can do that. I think I'm in love. I'll give it a go. I'll start with the tomato. This is the easy part. That's a good start. Now I just need to let it cook. Wow, look at all the bubbles. I better flip it. It smells good. I've got my pancake bun. Let's layer up the ingredients. Then top it with another bun. You know? That's pretty impressive. I'd rather have a real one.
So good. I bet it is. Stop drooling. Huh? Me? Or you'll be mopping it up.
Oh, right. No problem. I'll start by drawing a square. Then I'll fill it in. I'll keep the lines nice and tight. Almost done. This will be the cheese. It can go on my bun. Now for the rest of the burger. And I'll top it off with the other half of the bun. It looks good. I'm impressed.
Delicious. Oh, you're finished. Liam's is better.
Are you kidding me? It's a pretty easy decision. Yeah, well, I'm gonna enjoy this. Jealous?
No.
Huh?
Right. It's plastic.
That's a shame. Now I feel bad. Maybe I should let Liam try it. What the?
Thanks, bro. This is what I'm talking about.
Really?
What?
Never mind. Man, it smells so good.
Great brushwork. Uh-oh. That's not good. Out of my way! This is an emergency! Is he okay? Hey! Quit laughing! While I'm gone, draw a toilet.
Okay, this'll be fun. This shouldn't be happy. That's the first part done. Now I can draw the seat. Next I'll do the toilet bowl. Time to fill it in. I just need to stay in the lines. I don't want to mess it up now. This is looking good. This must be the best smelling toilet ever. Ah, the seat. I'm enjoying this. Almost done. Now to let it cook. I think it's ready to flip. Whoa! Look at that! My toilet is ready.
You took your time.
That's it? Really?
What's wrong with it? Seriously? I like it.
Hold on. It's missing something. That's better.
Don't be mean. Wait a minute. That gives me an idea. I can thank Lizzy for this. I'll draw the poop emoji. This is looking great. I just need to color it in. I'll use a lighter color for contrast. It looks like ice cream. But I wouldn't want to eat this. Okay, time to do the eyes. I'll draw large ovals and fill them in. It's awesome! Look, Lizzy!
I'm impressed.
Phew. No one go near the toilet. It stinks in there. What do you think? They're giving me flashbacks. Especially Liam's. You win! Great job, buddy.
No! I gave him that idea!
You can have this. It looks good.
That's not funny, Liam.
I need this to be perfect.
I'm so bored.
It's ready. Lizzy, this is for you. I hope you like it.
Yeah, right.
I made it especially.
Gimme! It's amazing!
Ugh. It's enough to make you sick. Cool. What are you kids like? Ah, this looks good. Make me an ice cream. On it. I'll start with a triangle. This'll be my cone. That was easy. I'll go around the edge. This will add some detail. Then I'll make some lines. This is making me hungry. Time for the ice cream. I like vanilla. That's one big scoop of ice cream. It needs some strawberry sauce. I can fill it in. Almost done. There! It looks great!
My turn. This shouldn't be difficult. I'll use a lighter shade of pancake mix for the cone. I'll fill in the gaps. Now I can draw the ice cream. I'll go for strawberry flavor. Then a scoop of vanilla. That's perfect. And I'll put a cherry on top. I'll wait for it to cook. That looks about right. I can turn it over. Look at that!
It's judging time. I wanna lick it. Would you look at that? I like them both. It's a tie!
No way!
Bravo!
Well done.
Thanks for the hug.
Alrighty. I'm so in the mood for pancakes. Smells good in here. Mind if I add a little color here? Aw, it's so cute now. Hey! What's wrong with you? Ketchup doesn't belong here. And now it's everywhere! This is all your fault! Now we're both covered in it! I'm never talking to you again! Girls? Hey! Stop that right now! Look at my kitchen! Not my fault, it was her! I know what'll teach you to get along. A pancake art challenge! Let's do it! And next up, we're going back to the basics. Oh, shapes? I know what to do. Look at all that confidence! Watch and learn! That gives me another idea. I can totally do this too! See? Looks the same. Well, kinda. Why doesn't mine look like hers? How does Naomi know what she's doing? Can't give up now. Just keep going! Ow! I'm impressed! Hard to see it before the big flip, but it's all about patience. Hers is so much better than mine. Don't be so sure. But Naomi's does look good. And that's why she's the winner! You ready? You know this face. Kevin? He's a work of art!
What's up, girl? Bought these for ya.
Young love. A girl can dream. I could draw his smile in my sleep. But will it translate to a pancake? All depends on the artist, right? Aw, a heart! On to the next color. Things are really getting interesting now. This heart is filled with love. But which one will look tastier? Almost done here. This was made with a lot of love. I can't wait to see the result. Let's flip him. And flip! Cute! Both look pretty good, girls. These sure did come from the heart. But I can only choose one. Or I'll let them both slide this time. He really is a cutie, huh? Ready, girls? It's unicorn time! Do your thing! Should I do the horn first? I think I'll just wing it. With a steady hand, what could go wrong? I'd better start! It's too soon to see which is better. But there are two different approaches here. Either way, there's definitely magic happening. Okay, they're coming together now. Can you tell what they are? They're still busy. Some color out to bring these things to life. Look at those gorgeous hues! Yep, they look pretty good. Mine's better, though. Definitely different. And now for the final fill-in. Yep, it's almost finished. But I still could use something. Wait, I can't let hers win. There. Hey! What are you doing? He must have slipped. Hey, do you smell that? My pancake! It's totally burned! Oh man, it's completely ruined! Phew! Stop it! I feel kinda bad. May as well flip mine over. Hey, still looks pretty good. Stacy's definitely the winner here. What do you think, Mom? That's awful! That makes Stacy the winner! At least you tried, Naomi. That was one creative art challenge. Who was your favorite artist? Lizzy or Liam? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.